Still using a weak welding machine that ruins your work? What if you could get cleaner, stronger welds with less effort? In today's video, we are revealing the best welding machines that combine power, precision, and versatility for every type of user. You can check the price and full details through the links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DEKO MMA Series 160/200 Amp Welding Machine. The DEKO MMA Series 160/200 Amp Welding Machine is a compact and powerful option for both beginners and professionals. Built with advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable arc performance, better efficiency, and smooth welding output for different types of jobs. Operating on 220V, this machine is suitable for working on steel, iron, and other common metals with reliable performance. One of its biggest advantages is the lightweight and portable design, making it easy to carry for home projects, repair work, or on-site welding tasks. Even though it is compact, it provides strong power and supports different electrode sizes for more flexible use. The built-in cooling system helps prevent overheating during longer working sessions, improving safety and durability. Its simple control system also makes it easy to use, even for new users. If you need an affordable, efficient, and dependable welding machine, the DEKO MMA series is a great choice. Number 2. HZXVOGEN HVM 276 in 1 Welding Machine. The HZXVOGEN HVM 276 in 1 welding machine is a versatile and powerful choice for users who need multiple welding functions in one machine. It supports gas MIG, gasless MIG, HFTIG, MMA, and cutting functions, making it suitable for many different welding tasks. Whether you are working with steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, this machine gives you the flexibility to handle various materials. The digital display allows easy control of voltage and current, helping you achieve cleaner and more accurate welds. Its advanced inverter technology improves efficiency while reducing power consumption, making it both powerful and economical. The 2T and 4T trigger modes provide better comfort and control during longer welding sessions. Despite having multiple functions, the machine is designed to be user-friendly with simple settings and smooth mode switching. If you want one machine for different welding needs, the HZXVOGEN HVM 270 is a strong option. Number 3. SucceBuy 5 in 1 MIG Welder 200 Amp. The SucceBuy 5 in 1 MIG Welder 200 Amp is a practical and flexible welding machine designed for different types of users. It supports gas MIG, flux core MIG, stick welding, lift TIG, and AUTIG, making it a useful all-in-one option for home, workshop, and light industrial tasks. With a 200 amp output, it delivers strong and stable performance for welding steel, stainless steel, and other metals. The LCD screen makes it easy to view and adjust settings, helping users get cleaner and more consistent welds. Its compact design also makes it easy to move, whether you are working in a garage, workshop, or job site. The inverter technology improves energy efficiency and helps reduce power usage while maintaining reliable output. This welder is suitable for DIY projects, repair work, and professional use. If you are looking for power, versatility, and convenience in one machine, the SucceBuy 5 in 1 welder is worth considering. Number 4. HZXVOGEN HVT 250P6 in 1 AC/DC welder. The HZXVOGEN HVT 250P6 in 1 AC/DC welder is built for users who need precision, power, and versatility. With AC/DC welding capability, it is especially useful for working on aluminum, stainless steel, and ultra-thin materials. This makes it a strong choice for professionals who need clean and accurate welding results. It supports multiple functions, including HFTIG, pulse TIG, ARC, MMA, and stick welding. The pulse welding feature helps control heat more effectively, reducing distortion and improving weld quality, especially on delicate materials. Its digital screen allows precise adjustment of welding settings, giving users better control over every project. The 2T and 4T modes make long welding sessions more comfortable and efficient. Built with a strong cooling system, this machine can handle demanding work while staying stable. Whether you are doing automotive repair, fabrication, or detailed metalwork, the HZXVOGEN HVT 250P delivers professional-level performance. Number 5. 300A6000W ARC MMA Welding Machine. The 300A6000W ARC MMA Welding Machine is a heavy-duty option designed for powerful and reliable welding performance. With a strong 300A output and 6,000 W power capacity, it is suitable for working on alloy steel, iron, and other tough metal materials. This makes it a good choice for construction, repair, and heavy fabrication work. Equipped with intelligent IGBT inverter technology, this machine provides stable arc performance, smooth welding, and efficient power usage. The LCD display makes it easy to monitor and adjust settings, giving users better control and accuracy during operation. It supports 2.5mm welding rods and delivers consistent results even during longer working sessions. The durable body and cooling system help prevent overheating and improve machine life. Despite its powerful output, it remains simple enough for skilled users and professionals. If you need strength, durability, and dependable performance, this ARC MMA Welding Machine is a solid choice. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.